OnePlus has recently teased the OnePlus 6 with an image showing the handset mostly obscured, but we're now getting a far less obscured, and far less official, look at the phone. As often happens, a case maker and a store, in this case Olazar and Mobile Fun, have listed cases for the phone ahead of its announcement, and these listings include images showing the full front and most of the back of the OnePlus 6. More images of the upcoming flagship OnePlus 6 are appearing, and the latest comes from case manufacturer Olazar's range of cases confirm a number of controversial design features of the smartphone. First of all is the highly controversial notch in the main screen. Used to house the forward-facing electronics, the notch allows the OnePlus 6 design team to maximize the available real estate on the display while keeping the size of the bezels as small as possible. As discussed yesterday on Forbes, OnePlus CEO Carl Pei is addressing the need for a notch head-on, including the comparisons to the iPhone X. As detailed, OnePlus couldn't have gone that small without compromising the quality of the device's earpiece and front-facing camera or omitting the proximity and ambient light sensors or the user-requested LED notification light. At the same time, argues, we don't feel the need to have structured light on our phones akin to Apple's Face ID, so OnePlus notch is appreciably smaller than Apple's. Our notch, it will be there, sums up, and it'll be bigger than the Essential phone, smaller than the iPhone. Also on show is the biometric fingerprint scanner. It remains in a convenient location on the back of the handset, where it was moved to on the OnePlus 5T after the physical home button was removed to reduce the bezels. That said, it is changing from the circular scanner on the 5T to a smaller profile oval shape for the OnePlus 6. Finally, the dual lens camera can also be seen, in its new location down the central spine of the back of the OnePlus 6. Along with the central location of the notch, the OnePlus 6 looks a much more balanced smartphone from these early shots. The LED flash is right underneath the cameras, and below that sits the fingerprint sensor, which is on the small side. It reminds us of the size of the scanner on Samsung's Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The OnePlus 6 is definitely coming soon, with its announcement probably happening within the next few weeks. It's expected to rock the Snapdragon 845, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. According to one past leak, it will boast a 6.28-inch AMOLED touchscreen, a 20MP f2.0 selfie cam, and a 3450 mAh battery. The rear cameras should have 20MP and 16MP resolution, both with f1.7 aperture.